What's up, you guys? Let's do a quick review of today's price action for President's Day. This is a no trade day for me and no live stream day for me as well. But I wanted to do a quick recap of today's price action to hopefully give you guys something to either measure up your trades to give you a different perspective, or yeah, basically just fill you guys in on what I saw, potential setup. However, again, I took no trades today. So starting off on the hourly chart on M&Q. Let's identify, we always identify starting off in the beginning, which is going to be our swing points, right? So we have our hourly swing high point, and we have our hourly swing low. Okay, right off the bat, you guys see that we took this swing low this morning, right? Okay, note that. Also, we want to mark our fair value gaps, right? Our imbalances. So we have an hourly fair value gap created as well on M&Q. All right, and then simple, we go over to, I already have it marked out, but on MES, we have, again, swing high point, right here. Another hourly fair value gap right here. And then we also have our swing low. Okay, take note that we did not take the hourly swing low on MES. However, we did take the hourly low on M&Q. Okay, so going back to M&Q again, right, here's our hourly markup for what we're looking for today for our draw, our imbalance, okay, on liquidity. Going down to the 5-minute time frame, here's what I potentially saw on the 5, right? So we see liquidity get taken on the hourly. Here it is on the 5. Let's mark it out real quick. Okay, sell side liquidity. And then after we take sell side liquidity out, we get this rejection, right? And then we get a push higher back up towards our 1 hour fair value gap, which we end up tapping right here. So the only thing that I saw this morning was with the potential would have been this, and this is still so choppy this morning. But I saw this sweep right here of liquidity, sell side liquidity, and then the order flow change back up to this hourly fair value gap. So a possibility for a trade this morning would have been one that I would have possibly taken if I were trading today, which again I did not, is we have sell side liquidity taken here. We have the hourly low taken and then also not taken on MES, so divergence there on the hourly. And then we have a change in the state right here. So these series of down close candles, right? We get a close above those 3 candles. I'll make this a little bigger so you can actually see it. It's very small. A good V-shaped recovery as well. But like I said, we have a close above on the 1 minute, right? We'll just mark this all the way out so it's a little bit easier to see. Right, our change in the state, and then a close above, and then we continue to hold above, and we inversed this fair value gap here on the 1 minute, right? And we inverse this fair value gap here as well. So good signs of a change of direction, right? and a change in the order flow. So with that, there's a possibility here, right, that you could take along, right, targeting this fair value gap. So if we were to do that, it would look like this, right? Enter in on the change of in the state, right? We'll target the bottom of this fair value gap, which would have literally ticked it. And then we can either put our stop loss below this inverse fair value gap right here for a 3.55, or go all the way to the swing low, which gave us a 2, right? So either or would have been obviously acceptable in this case. We would have had a good trade in that setup. But overall, choppy PA, overlapping candles. We don't want to see these wicks like this, right? But we did get displacement around 647 to be exact. 647, we saw the change up here, and then the close above the change in the state delivery. And then these inverse fair value gaps. So still within our session window, good displacement actually, minimal overlapping candles, but still choppy PA for the most part. Obviously everything after this is dead. But yeah, so Could have taken a sell side liquidity sweep, changed the state of delivery, and then targeted the bottom of the hourly fair value gap. I can't speak today, but hopefully you guys either stayed out of the market today and just watched, or you guys did okay. Maybe you guys caught this one today as well. Let me know in the Discord or in the comments section if I post this. And have a good day, guys. I will be live tomorrow morning, and hopefully PA is a little bit less choppy and we can catch a good trade tomorrow. Either way, excited just to be in the market. So have a good day, guys. Happy President's Day.